have this 283. I'll get the transmission off of it. The engine's locked up, so it's going to make a mess. It's going to come off. Torque converter is going to stay at the back side of the engine, and we're going to get it on a stand and hopefully flip this thing over and see what's got it locked up. So we'll start that now.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright, let's see if there's any oil in this bad boy. It's just old crappy wire hanging down there. What do you think? Think it's got any oil in it? Nothing. Oh wow, it's got an old self-tapping drain plug in it there too. I don't know if you can see that real well. But it ain't got a drop of nothing in it. Well, that's a good thing, I guess. Ain't gonna make a big mess. I'm gonna try and contain most of the dirt. When I flip this thing over, it's gonna make a freaking mess. Flip this sucker over. I guess I need to flip the camera around a little bit. There you go. Hopefully today will be the day that we decide what is wrong with this son of a gun. This is old hand-me-down engine stand. I don't have all the parts for it. And that's my dog Leo. He likes to bark. Yuck. Okay. Parts of the engine mount left in there. Little canister style oil filtering device. Get some of this shit out of the way and we'll get this pan off here. I gotta pull an ounce or two. I wonder if it moves now that we got the transmission. I think locked up tire in freaking Fort Knox. Trying to get the old YouTube loaded up out here, but it's being weird. So we're gonna go into hyperlapse for a minute while I tear this pan off. All right, let's pop this pan off. Let me see if I can get you in closer here. Pan it down a little bit. There you go. All right, let's see. I should have like did this on a live stream. That way we could guess what's going to be in here. That's a good sign. It's not completely froze up. Ready? Oh hell, this oil pan's got a hole in it. It's all beat up. Well, considering what we got here. Huh. Let me get you off here. some stuff here. I know the lighting ain't great, but I mean, I don't see anything broken. This is a forged crank too. I'm kind of surprised at that. So, well, I guess I need to get this balancer off, pull the timing chain off. We'll go from there. A little tidbit. There's no external balancer on this thing. This thing's internally balanced also. This might be a good RPM maybe. I'll get the puller and pull that off. Alright, next reveal. Submission. Okay, moves. My channel. Well, because now we're going to start breaking names and nozzles. What's up? Let's see what size. Stop. Get this easier on. A little impact go out. Oh man, let's start the back. Off there. Get the 8-year-old spark here. It's so dumped up. There, dumped up. There she goes. Unlocked up. Bolts with the bolts. So it just looks like. Wow. It has some coolant run through it, but I mean, for as old as it is, that's crazy. I mean, it's scratched up, but nothing out of the ordinary. All that was a little sweet in there. Oh shit, it's making nice. Oh, I got the thing jammed up with the damn flywheel in here. Look at this. Bound up. Thing. Got some movement there. Let's start getting these things back from the bearings. Don't look that bad. I mean, look at that. The bearings don't look that bad at all. The lighting kind of sucks tonight, but. I'm not these rods loose, pushing them down. Maybe I can get this crank out here and figure out what the hell's going on. Half inch or 9/16. Half inch. Get it. Let's ratchet. Oh, there, look good. I'm just gonna leave that in there. I don't know if you remember it or not. Doesn't look like it. I'm not sitting down here. I should cut the damn flywheel off. Get that out. Okay, that rubber bearing's good. It's not moving. That was not happy at all. pulls up. Try this up. What they're really taking to the heart going through it. A lot of it. Hey, Johnny, right up. Rings like steel crank. Yeah, that's not exactly this, sure. It's happening in there. Well, I found it. That cap is stuck to the ring. Look out here. Nope, very good. Very good. So does that make any sense? I don't know what a piston is stuck more. Drop it down. Be very careful with this. Down. Farther. Cooperating. Good. Alright, so the only thing I found is the pistons were pretty rusted in the board, but the boards all look good. Couple pistons. This one's got a really stiff wrist pin on it, but I mean, just freed up. None of them are really showing any damage. Probably clean this thing up. Put new bearings in it, new rings, and should be a certified ripper. I got plenty of parts, so I'm really stoked that crank is freaking forged and it's internal balanced. Somebody broke the crank bolt off in it, but I mean, this thing it's beautiful. I mean, for as old as it is, it's like, dang, you don't see new shit like that. So I'm just gonna start looking for parts. I mean, it's pretty much what I should do in it. I got a free engine. Just start looking for parts, right? I know they make a conversion for that oil filter to make it a regular spin-on. I think I can eliminate this thingamabob. I think it's just pressed into the block for the weird breather system that it had. Yeah, I've got the distributor for it. That's one of the vent holes there. I need to plug that off. But I'm gonna see if I can get the lifters out of it. Or at least turn the cam so I can get the cam out of it and then just push the lifters out the bottom. Probably what I'll have to do. So let's watch that real quick. Okay, I believe I have found the culprit. Look at that cam bearing. It is seized up, rusted. Actually, they're all kind of screwed up. I wonder if we had an oiling problem, because I've never had a hammer crank camshaft out of an engine before. So there you have it. she is a viable piece. It's got to get cleaned up and bearings and rings and ram-a-lam-a-ding-dong. So get out there and fix something. See you next time.